So your SD card is giving you the silent treatment. Maybe it shows up unreadable, maybe your computer doesn't even recognize it, or maybe it just shows up as empty, even though you know there are still images there. And of course, it had to be your best shots, right? But before you throw them out, do not, because those raw files are still sitting on that SD card. You just need to follow the right steps to pull them out. So stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how to recover these raw files from a damaged SD card. And yes, keeping it all very simple. And also, if you've gone through this in the past, then please drop in the comments the word survived, so I know how many have gone through this whole disaster before. It'd be very interesting to know. First, let's quickly understand what you're even dealing with, because the fix may depend on the flavor of how damaged your SD card even is. When your SD card shows up as unreadable in macOS, or your camera suddenly says card error, or it mounts but shows 0 files, that's almost always a file system issue, not physical destruction. So the data underneath is usually still intact. macOS just lost its map to basically read it. The danger zone is when people start panicking and instantly go to format the SD card, or they start writing new files into it. So the golden rule is this: do not use the card. Put it away. Do not breathe into it. Do not look into it. Do not touch it. Do not do anything to the card. Just use it when you actually want to do the recovery, and then you can use it as normal. But until then, put it away. So before we go into the recovery software that we're using today, let's first rule out the easy stuff, because sometimes, or most of the times, the card is fine. It's just a connection problem. Try a different USB card reader, because integrated laptop slots are notoriously flaky. A $10 USB reader from Amazon often fixes a damaged card instantly. Test the card in another device, like a different camera, a different computer, because if it reads fine there, then the problem was never the card. On Mac, let's open System Information, which is Apple Menu, About this Mac, and then System Report. Then check under USB or card reader whether the card is even being detected. If it's not showing up at all, then try a different reader or port, or reset your whole Mac's SMC. So if none of those steps worked and your card is still unreadable, then that's when you move into data recovery. And for this video, we're using Wondershare Recoverit. So I'll walk you through everything about the software so you can get your files back to your computer. So yes, once again, Wondershare Recoverit is the software that we are using. It handles raw file recovery from damaged SD cards extremely well, and it includes CR2, NEF, ARW, and other camera raw formats that a lot of generic tools just skip over. So let's download and open Recoverit on your Windows or Mac, then connect your SD card via the card reader. Then let's select your SD card from the drive list and hit start. Recoverit will now scan the whole card. If the standard scan doesn't find everything, then it will automatically escalate to a deep scan for more buried files. Now, once your scan finishes, filter by file type. Now, you're looking for raw images, meaning CR2, NEF, ARW, DNG, whatever your camera shoots. Then preview them before you recover to confirm that they are in fact intact. Now let's select the files you want, then click recover, and then save them to a different drive. Do not back into the same SD card as you are recovering from. Now that's it. The whole process on a 32GB card usually takes under 10 minutes on a fast machine. Now the link for Recoverit is in the description down below if you want to grab it today. Now once your files are back and on track, that's when you actually deal with the SD card itself. And usually you just perform a full format. And on Disk Utility, this is quite simple, and I'm about to show you how you do it. So let's open Disk Utility, select the SD card in the sidebar, click Erase, then choose FAT32 or exFAT depending on your camera. Run it, and then it's basically done. If the SD card keeps failing even after multiple formats, then that means it's probably wearing out. Now, SD cards truly have a finite lifespan, especially with heavy writing cycles, so replacement is truly the only solution here. So to recap, if your SD card is showing up as raw or fully unreadable in your computer, then first stop writing files into it, try a different port on your laptop, then perform a full recovery into that SD card, and only after your files are truly safe is when you perform a full format. Raw file recovery may sound scary, but it's very doable as long as you act quick and don't overwrite files into that SD card. Now, if this video helped you in any way, then please leave a like and also subscribe to our channel for more tutorial and tech tips just like this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.